How to use Canva AI code. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using AI to code on Canva. Now, all you need for this is Canva, and once you have signed on to Canva, you can click on Canva AI on the top right. Now, once you do that, you can see you have the bubbles on the bottom of your prompt box, and these are different options. So in this, you have the option to click on Code for Me. And once you click on Code for Me, Canva is able to code anything for you. So if you scroll down, you will actually see different use cases of this AI. You can create an interactive pricing calculator, historical timeline, interactive menu, flashcard games, countdown timers, a digital birthday card, 3D game exploring space, color accessibility simulators, a fun memory matching game, vocab matching game, and sorting activities. So this AI tool is very diverse, and you can truly build anything. Now, for this, what I want to build or what I want to code is an app for a walking tour of Paris. Now, this is a very generic prompt, and if I want to build upon this prompt, I can also do that. But if I provide it with this prompt, it's going to think and it's going to start providing more details. So an interactive map with key landmarks and a guided tour experience. This can be great for you as a business owner, which can help you in making your business an integral part of these walking tours and launching these applications. Not only that, you don't have to do any of the legwork of coding these applications because Canva's AI tool is very, very intelligent and intuitive. It's going to take all of the relevant information it can find and package it into one application. So I will show you guys what exactly this app is going to look like once the code is generated. Now from here, you guys can see that this has created one version of our particular application. So we have Classic Paris, Hidden Gems, and then Artistic Paris. This has included 6 landmarks in the Classic Tour, 5 in the Hidden Gems, and 4 in the Artistic Paris app. Now, once this has been created, you might say, how am I going to make this more functional? How would I like to launch this application? So what exactly can you do to launch this? So on the top right, you can click on Use this in a design, and you can convert the information from this into a whiteboard, a document, a presentation, or a website. You can complete your entire application and package it up into a website that can serve as your primary way of dispensing this information. So all of the features would be present here, and people can just navigate through this. I'll show you guys what it looks like as a website. This is what it's going to look like as a website. And then you can click on Classic Paris, click on Select, and then people can click on next, and then view all of these landmarks, and it has a map on top as well. Now, this is just one example of how you can code and create using Canva. If you want to go with something that is a bit more easy and a bit more fun, let's build a birthday card. So if you click on any one of these pre-existing prompts, it's going to type in the entire prompt for you. So a sorting activity for my class, or an interactive historical timeline. So what do you want to include in this? When should it start? When should it end? Critical event periods, or the specific age group you're building this for. You can specify all of these, which is included in the template. I'm going to build a digital birthday card that explodes with confetti. Start the example birthday card for, I'm going to change the name from Emma to Lily, featuring confetti animations and a soft purple to pink because I like purple, and interactive elements that trigger when clicked. Ask as a follow-up, asking about the recipient name, celebration type, preferred color, message to display, animation style preferences. So I want to display happy birthday crazy lady on the card, make cute cats like so, and if I want to include any other message, I can specify that, but for now I'm just going to ask it to create a celebration card, and it's going to code these lines for me. So again, depending on the complexity of your prompt, the type of prompt it is, what type of thing are you generating, it is going to take more or less time. For birthday cards, it's obviously going to be far quicker, but if you're trying to build a website using this, if you're trying to build something a bit more complicated, it is definitely going to take more time. But I have already done this for you. So I have built a website using Canva's AI tool. So you might say, hey, is it really going to be able to do what you think it can? Well, it actually can. Canva AI is really amazing at creating whatever you have defined, and it can code you an entire website as well. You guys can see you have writing templates, you have design templates, and within your code templates, if you ask it to bring your idea to life, bring your website to life, it can do that. and we have previously created a website using Canva's AI tool. But right now, I'm going to show you guys another simple example, and then we're going to move towards some of the more complicated ones. Starting off, we are going to build an interactive menu for our restaurant. So create a modern build your own order interactive menu without images. Now I wanted to make it with images. Start with Bella Knicha featuring appetizers, $8 to $12, pastas with protein add-ons and desserts, color coding instead of photos for a sophisticated look. I'm going to remove the clean typography and color coding. Now, after that, it has asked me, as a follow-up, asked me about my restaurant name and concept, food categories, customizations, base items with add-ons, special prices, and more. I'm gonna leave this prompt as it is. Once I do that, it's going to ask me, once it has built up the basic of my app, then it's going to ask me the other elements. What that does is that this allows you to get the basic structure of your app to the T, and then after that, you can provide it with some of the generic information that can be very easily integrated later on. So like so, our new application has been created, which is our interactive menu, bruschetta, calamari, and then a caprese salad. Then after that, it has created 3 pasta options and then 3 dessert options. All the buttons are fully functional. And from here, I want to create. Now, it is asking me on how I would like to customize my menu. I can help you with adding the restaurant name and concept, food categories, own menu items, and several options like spice levels or dietary preferences. However, I just wanted to create this as an application. But what I can do is I can build me a doc for the code of this app. And what it's going to do is that it's going to take the entire code that it created and it's going to code me the entire thing, which I can copy and then create a fully functional app that is within the Play Store, which I can then sell or I can use to build my own application. So Canva Code for Me has so many different applications, whether you are just a new user playing around with the coding tools, or you're someone that is experienced and looking to make some money out of it and commercialize it. You can truly do it all with the Canva AI Code Builder. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. And if you're wondering about how many AI code generations you can do, well, Canva has a free and a pro version. The pro version is $55 yearly for one person, but if you go for the monthly plan, it is only $6.50. Now, within this, when it comes to Canva AI, you have 10 times the messages of free per month, where you get over 150 credits on the pro version, whereas you get 50 credits on the free version of Canva. So you do have to use them depending on however many credits you have, depending on how complicated the app is and how many edits or changes you're making, it's going to accumulate or spend more credits. So I'll see you guys in the next video.